Hello friends, welcome to another refrigeration HVAC mechanic red seal licensed exam reviewer. And this is multiple choice set number 3, another 10 questions. First question is, where do you install the pressure line for a fan control? A. Suction line, B. Discharge line, C. Service valves, or D. Evaporator outlet. The correct answer is B. Discharge line. What is the proper procedure for changing a V-belt? A. Lockout tagout, remove tension, replace belt, add tension, and align. B. Remove tension, lockout tagout, replace belt, add tension, and align. C. Replace belt, remove tension, lockout tagout, add tension, and align. Or D. None of the above. And the correct answer is A. Lockout tagout, remove tension, replace belt, add tension, and align. Number 3. On a contactor with pitted contacts, what would this cause? A. Voltage drop, B. Corrosion, C. Condensation, D. Vibration. Correct answer is voltage drop. Number 4. How would you install a preheat coil on a mixed air system? A. Return, B. Supply, C. Outdoor air intake, D. Exhaust. The correct answer is C. Outdoor air intake. 5. Where do you install the enthalpy control on a rooftop unit equipped with an economizer? A. Return, B. Supply, C. Exhaust, or D. Outside on the economizer shroud inlet. The correct answer is D. Outside on the economizer shroud inlet. Number 6. A pump down system thermostat is satisfied de-energizing the liquid line solenoid valve, but the condensing unit continues to run. What is the problem? A. Upsize the liquid line solenoid valve, add more voltage, C. Switch the wires, or D. Reverse the direction of the valve. Correct answer is reverse the direction of the valve. Number 7. There is an internally equalized TXV on a multi-circuit evaporator. What will happen? A. Too much superheat, B. Not enough superheat, C. TXV will hunt, or D. Too much subcooling. Correct answer is C. The TXV will hunt. 8. What must you install when you add a two-stage thermostat for heat-cool when you only have one transformer? C. Jumper RC to RH, B. Jumper Y1 to Y2, C. Jumper W1 to W2, or D. Jumper Y1 to W2. Correct answer is A. Jumper RC to RH. Number 9. On a chiller water loop, The water entering the coil enters at 45 Fahrenheit, and the water leaving the coil and the air leaving the coil are both at 75 Fahrenheit. What is wrong? A. Major restriction in the water line. B. Water flow too high. C. Constant water flow. Or D. Low water temperature. Correct answer is A. Major restriction in the water line. And the last, okay, sorry about that. Okay, and the last question. High discharge on a heat pump. What is the remedy? A. Increase indoor coil airflow. B. Increase condenser fan speed. C. Decrease indoor coil airflow. Or D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Increase indoor coil airflow. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope you found something good. Until next time, cheers and have a good one.